Welcome to this training session on removing rivets. When a rivet has to be replaced, remove it carefully to retain the rivet hole's original size and shape. If removed correctly, the rivet does not need to be replaced with one of the next larger size. If the rivet is not removed properly, the strength of the joint may be weakened and the replacement of rivets made more difficult. When removing a rivet, work on the manufactured head. This minimizes the chance damaging the rivet hole or the sheet metal. Hand tools and/or a drill are the tools of choice when removing rivets. Here are the steps for removing a universal head or protruding head rivet. The process for removing countersunk rivets is the same as universal heads. Additionally, to remove a countersunk or flush head rivet, you must 1. Select a drill about 0.003 inch smaller than the rivet shank diameter. 2. Drill into the exact center of the rivet head to the approximate depth of the head. 3. Remove the head by breaking it off. Use a punch as a lever. 4. Punch out the shank. Use a suitable backup, preferably wood, or equivalent, or a dedicated backup block. If the shank does not come out easily, use a small drill and drill through the shank. Be careful not to elongate the hole. This concludes this training session. We hope you found it useful.